तूने ड्रॉप कर दिया?
कॉलेज चल रहा था
पढ़ाई
ना,
छोड़ दी
तो
क्या
नीट
तूने?
के लिए प्रिपेयर कर
कौन
रही
सा
है?
ड्रॉप है ये तेरा?
फालतू का यूट्यूब चैनल। Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many of them were asking me some questions and I also saw the comments of few of you. So I thought why not make a video on it covering all your questions regarding me and my studies. So today I will be putting the questions here on the screen and will be answering all of them. Okay, let's quickly get started. The very first question is, I am preparing for which exam? I guess many of you know this answer, but because I'm starting from the very start, so I'm taking this basic question. I am preparing for Neet UG 2024, which is going to held on Sunday 5th of May. Second question is, am I a dropper? If yes, then which drop? Actually, there is a very long story behind this. So I will tell you in detail some other time. If you wanna know, then do tell me in the comments below. For right now, let me answer it. I can say that this is my fourth drop, or I can say that this is my first drop. Right now, I am a graduate. Yes, I did my college. I did BSc Biotechnology, and actually, it is completed in 2023. So I am a graduate now, and then I took this drop in 2024 to prepare for NEET and to give a last chance for my dream. Let's get to the conclusion. The conclusion is I had one partial drop in 2023 and this is my first full drop. Then comes the third question. From where am I preparing? Online, offline, which coaching class, etc. etc. For this year, I am preparing by self. I am doing self preparation, and the previous year I was enrolled in Akash Coaching Institute. I took offline classes there. I am having those Akash modules of mine, and also I'm having Physics Wala modules. For this year, I purchased the test series of Physics Wala, and my source of study is YouTube. YouTube has so many content that you can find everything on YouTube. So I watch lectures from there, which I want to, and बाकी मॉड्यूल्स मेरे पास हैं, टेस्ट सीरीज मैंने ज्वाइन की हुई है, so like I have every resources. Then comes the last question, and that is ki why am I having this YouTube channel? Why am I posting this content and all? Why am I wasting my time? So it's like a hobby to me, and I really like to post videos. I really like to make videos. I know I'm not a good editor, I'm not a pro level content creator, but yes, I know this, that I am improving day by day, and I am trying to improve my content, to improve my voiceovers and improve my editing. I am trying to improve everything. I don't know where this all will take me. मेरे YouTube का कुछ होगा नहीं होगा, I don't know anything about that, but yeah, I like to enjoy it, I like to do it, so I am doing it and I will continue to do it until and unless some situations can occur in life and I don't know whatever happens. But yeah, jab tak I can do it, I will do it. There's always some things in our life that really makes us happy, and making videos, making content, this really makes me happy and I feel very happy while doing it. Many people say this कि हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं होती है ये, और बस तुम अपना फालतू टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, इससे तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. सो माई आंसर टू देम इज़ कि आई नो हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है. आई डोंट नो मेरे बस की बात ये है या नहीं है. आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर दैट. Right now I am doing it just because I like it. This is something I enjoy doing. That's it. These are the basic questions which are generally asked, and वैसे तो I already answer them in the comments only. जब मुझे दिखता है कि किसी ने कोई कमेंट किया है, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा है, तो मैं उसका आंसर कर देती हूँ. But this is the first time I made a Q&A video, and for many more, do comment. I will try to answer every one of them, and अगर ऐसे ही और वीडियोस बनानी है तो मुझे बताना, मैं ज़रूर बनाऊँगी. Thank you so much for watching. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye. Take care.